Welcome to Gray Overload. I'm Anthony, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Unified UniFi, the nanoHDs. In my quest to improve the network here at my house, I'm getting in the process to run wire everywhere. Hopefully, I get a lot of that done this weekend. But my table over there is just a mess, just to get prep all done so we can really get better network in this house. Because right now the Wi-Fi isn't even barely cutting it. I upgraded my speed a little bit and it can't even handle that. I already knew it was already limited, and now it's for sure unlimited. So I picked up two of these nano HDs, and to just start my network. It's not, it's not the latest standard. It's just AC, but I did want to start someplace, and I figure if the biggest backbone, the biggest cost of this will be the backbone, the switches, um, the other stuff, the wiring. Getting all that in here is the first step, and then from there on out, if I ever have to update these are power over Ethernet. Okay, you just swap them out. This should be really simple overall, and hopefully they provide a seamless process. So I decided to pick up two of these because they're like $180 or something, I believe, like that. Okay, that's just the cover, not the device itself, as you can see here. Here's the device, and they actually had a really nice boxing up of this, where it's a nice thick cardboard. It seems like they packed it really well. I mean, to the point where this, the wireless access point here is on the backside in this plastic that it comes on. Actually has little cutouts. Well, I'm just dropping everything right now. Not the important stuff, just all of the packaging. But it has little cutouts so you can see. I don't know if you can see with the lights here, but they're little tabs that actually fit in there, so this thing will not shift around during shipping. So Ubiquiti did a great job with that. They have a little bit on the quick download guide here for the nano HD access point. It's Wave 2 compatible, so it's a compact 802.11 AC access point right there. A little bit on that. The backside, it's power over Ethernet, so that's in here included. Here's a part of the mounting bracket. These will get mounted, but it's going to be a process. I got to put a drop ceiling in and everything still, but it's progress. I want to have good Ethernet throughout good internet and network throughout the house, and then I can actually start finishing stuff. You got a power cable, and then if this comes out, you have the power over Ethernet device. So that's it there. And it's got the little fancy, packing. And then you also get the mounting kit. It's got a nice little plastic bag too. And that's all that's in here for that. I did like on the back of the box, there's some broken plastic that seemed to have been shifted in shipping. Because I haven't unboxed these yet. I'm opening them for the first time. But here, what's really cool is the Ubiquiti stuff. It has, the test date it passed, a little information about it on the back here, but not too much. Overall, it seems like it's all minimalistic, and you go online to install stuff, which I'm pretty excited about. A lot of stuff these days still comes with huge packets where if you just point to me online, I can go read it and everything else. But if you guys have tips to how to set these up, let me know. I'm new to the Ubiquiti world, and so I got a UDM Pro on order. I also got a 24 port switch, and that should cover my house as of right now. If I run more ports, I'll need more. But let me know if you have any suggestions on any of the setup. I'm willing to listen, willing to learn. So, and I do appreciate the help a lot. So with that, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time to help support Gray Overload and helping this channel grow. And I do appreciate you guys, putting the comments below, and really putting an effort in communication in the comments as well. It's been great to interact with you guys as well. I really enjoy it. So with that, God bless, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.